picked. I'm already married. Ooh, PACHINKO 50, 100, double. Bam. 20x, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that.
Here, I thought you are talking to me. Well, I am Jerry. 7x to a punch. 40, 100. And ladies and gentlemen, our friend at 7x. Everything is multiplied now.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
DJ, SK002, and now new betting time. Place your bets and let's get going, shall we? But you know, I think Google can definitely help with you. Like, just Googling this question. I think it would be a greater help than me. Good luck. Because me, myself, I have not traveled in quite a while. 2x in a crazy time. Like, I've gotten a dog, and he's not very keen on any types of traveling, any types of transportation. So, you know, we've been keeping it simple. But ladies and gentlemen, well, do you see that crazy time it is? So ladies and gentlemen, come with me to the crazy time. Well, hello, lovely to see you here this time. We're not alone, oh no, we brought a friend with us. If you didn't notice a friend, well, you gotta notice it now for sure because, well, let's see how this goes, shall we? Well, right here, right now, our friend is entering the stage. 2x multiplier is gonna get applied to each and every segment of the wheel here. So, possibly double the fun. Bet now, ladies and gentlemen. Well, decide which team do you want to be? The team blue, the team green, or the team yellow? The decision is all yours to make. Your own bosses, your own decision makers here for sure. And ladies and gentlemen, onto that 200x. Let's go. So we got 50x for the blue one, 70x for the yellow one, but double for the team green here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now everything has been doubled on the wheel for that green flopper. Let's get going up to that 400x. Good luck. We doubled it once, but we're going to double it all once again for that green flopper. Yes, let's do it. And ladies and gentlemen, we are to spin again onto that 800x now. Good luck. Well, 280x it appears to be for that team green. Congratulations to all of the winners, especially 2,002 of you who got that 280x here. Well, hi, marvelous to meet you. That year, 7,089 winners. Good job done, but now new betting time has begun. So place your bets, newcomers. Hi, marvelous to see you here at a crazy time. If you're interested in a previous
Flyer, beautiful guys. Let's find out what we have in here. Sabina, you're a bit cute. Thank you for that. All right, guys, we have gone for every single bonus game, and now, darling, let's go. Crazy time it is. Oh! All right, ladies and gentlemen, guess where we are at? Crazy time. Yes, indeed, ladies and gentlemen, you already know the drill. 3 flappers. Make your choice. The green, the blue, the yellow, ladies and gentlemen. For you to this side, darlings. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's see what it is. Highest multiply 100x. Let's go. All right, come on, give us the doubles. Give us the high multis or the doubles. Oh, yes, baby. 10x multiply, 20x multi, and a double for the green. So double the trouble, ladies and gentlemen. Highest multiply now, 200x. Let's go. All right, bring it on. More doubles, guys, on the green. Bam! Ladies and gentlemen, highest multiply now, 400x. Let's go! Ladies and gentlemen, are you seeing this? We are going for another double, guys. 800x multiplier. Let's go! Ladies and gentlemen, did somebody order more doubles? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, 1,600 times the multiplier. Let's go! Bam, ladies and gentlemen, bam! 400x, bam!
What I do is like 30, 35 if I'm feeling better. I have done 40 at my best, but not, man. More than 40, bruh. I'm gonna try one day. Anderson, do you better push up now? Says Lorax. Let's go. So 25 is number 5, bro, let's go. Andy is strong and sexy. Thank you, Jack. Much appreciated, so thank you. So let's go, guys. All right, can we get a 5? Come on, come on, come on. Be a 5, be a 5. Woo! Hey, amigo. Let's go. 5-ita, amigo. Mama number 5, baby. 2,445 wins. Greenscaper with the 23K top. Pretzel, sweat the pillow. 1 ATP, top 5. Good job. Sweet, juicy. I love you. I love you too, FSD. Man. Andy to go. Thank you, Kevin. Baby. Man, that is insane.
42 winners. Alexander, 550, and now new betting time. Place your bets and let's go. Like, that is, like, for me, it sounds similar as I would be going to a restaurant and taking the chef's choice and getting the best dish possible. Good luck. Sorry to interfere. I thought you are talking to me. Well, I am Jerry, 7X and PACHINKO. I'm for sure talking with everybody. And ASI, it is your birthday today. Wow, it is amazing. Best wishes to you. And look at that, PACHINKO on the wheel. Are you ready? PACHINKO on the wheel. So through the PACHINKO we go. This time we brought that 7X with us. So let's see what happens now. Starting off with, well, strong 5X, 5, 7, 10, 15, 20, 40, 100. And ladies and gentlemen, our friend at 7X. Everything is multiplied now, and we are to go. So ladies and gentlemen, wishing you the best of luck after that 700X. Oh yes, let's go ahead and get it. That is exactly what I'm rooting for. I think that is what you're rooting for as well. So let's see. What is it gonna be? Well, 140X. Still good, I think. Congratulations to all of the winners, especially to those who are the top winners. Keep it up. That guy, Flo, Theo, Your top winner is 11,509 winners. Amazing. Now new betting time has begun here at a crazy time. So place your bets. Remember, you can bet on all the number segments, on all the bonus game segments. You're saying thanks. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for playing. Good luck.
Still have spins to go for wins to get. What's your name? I'm Sabina, guys. Sabina, Sabrinka, Sabinchik, you are shorty, guys, for obvious reasons. So how are we doing, guys? How is everyone doing today? How to marry here, Sabina? Already married, so that box has already been ticked. I'm already married. Ooh, Pachinko with 20x. Ooh, that would be just fantastic. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, a little bit more. Oh, guys! Oh, my days come to mama! Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, are you ready? Let's breathe. All right, Hermosa. So we are starting, guys. We are just starting. 7x, 10x, 15, 20, 25, 50, 100, double. Bam. 20x, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Oh. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you know the drill. We're going to drop the puck, and we have a chance to get even as high as 2,000x, ladies and gentlemen. 20x multiplier. Let's go. All right, there it goes. Okay. Easy. Okay. And ladies and gentlemen, 400x multiplier. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. Bam! Just like that. Good morning. Okay, so 400 times multiplier from our